Sorry about that. That was just a little, I just had to help something. Okay, now I'm gonna want to go to downloads. Make sure you have the SDB editor right there, and then SDB editor. Now, if you have it and you have everything that I'm showing you have to have, then you're in perfect condition. Now you're gonna want to full screen it to there so you can have that. Then you guys are gonna want to go to File in the up corner, open eng.sdb. Then you should see all this. You can replace this as any. So we're just gonna type in sand. So I could type in Sandman, copy the hash ID. Oh no, not copy index. Copy hash ID, and then go back, go to here, go back to Tribute. Right there. Sorry. And then you guys are going to want to type 6. Oh, I didn't even type 6. Okay. Type 6, enter data. Now you guys are going to see this. Paste the file that you did. Paste it. Auto assign. Then after, you guys are going to want to go to here. Go down. Go to SS. Go to placeholder. Oh no. My bad again. Guys, I am just so tired today. You guys are gonna want to do Titantron first, then banner second. Banner second. Banner second. Apron third. Stage fourth, and then barricade fifth. Barricade is always last. Always last. Stage. And then do that. Go to SS. Then go to barricade. And then see, add GFX. There you go. It should say that. Now what I recommend doing is this. Is just get rid of everything now. Just get rid of it all since you already placed it. Okay, now you did that. And now you're gonna want to go. Now you're gonna want to go to here. Go down to Tribute. Doesn't matter what tribute as long as it's an updated tribute. Tribute 3, and then Bake Me. Select the folder. Then make sure it's Bake Me file. Then I will. Do you guys want me? Actually, I'll leave it on so that way you guys don't think I'm doing anything without steps. Some people actually do that, which is not very nice, but what do you know? Okay, now make sure you have a controller. Make sure you have this controller with USB cable. That's the USB cable. Doesn't have to be white. Doesn't have to be white. I'm just saying this is mine USB cable. This is my setup. Not a very good setup, but I would really need it. And I might do a video about this tomorrow. I just have a flu shot in the morning, so. Then go to entrance. If it doesn't work, then I'm just saying it might not work for me either. So go to Sandman. Sandman might do it. What? No Titanfall. Yeah, see, it just says Smackdown right there. I think. Do the exact same thing, but with something else. I recommend The Rock. I put The Rock final boss one as Roman Reigns. Now got a Titantron movie. Now got a Roman Reigns. Is it this one? Yes, it's that one. It should be all dark. It will be all dark. Who's Adrian video? And ready? I will get you so the final boss. That's the final boss. So look it up there, the new GFX. I still have to get the music in. But then accept it. And then, yeah, I'll keep you guys noted. See ya.